To begin looking at this KBO electric bike, the first thing to mention is just how clean and sleek it looks. So one of the things that really interested me in this bike is the fact that for all intents and purposes, you almost can't tell that it's an e-bike. You know, in fact, I've taken this to Walmart to do, my own shop, and this wasn't something I was concerned about leaving outside of Walmart locked up, because I felt like this didn't draw any additional attention than just a traditional bike would. The other real neat thing about this being sleek like this is you can tell it's a single speed setup.